Hello YouTubers, this is Shana from the Hermione Fan 2000 channel. Yeah, and I thought I'd show you my pet, Gabby. Gabby, the talking parrot. Ding. There it is. Oh, Gabby.
Get me out of here! Get me out of here! Who's your daddy?
Yeah, enough of that. Now, how are you doing is what I'd like to know. How has your life been going? Dramatic, emotional, action-packed? Are you suffering from a loss? If you are, Benadryl may cause these symptoms: coughing, thoughts of suicide. Please do not take Benadryl if you are under 18. Okay, anywho. So, sour spray. This is like from a year ago, but can't hurt. Okay, that's really disgusting. So, yeah. But still, you might want to buy this stuff. It's pretty good. Sour. Well, that was my drawer. It was, yeah. So, I'm a turtle. I don't know why I said that, but I thought that this would be a good time to conclude this about nothing video. So,